Have you heard of a machine tool builder that can supply a 22 meters between centers lathe and a 3 meter diameter chuck? Well, I'm on the FAT-Haco stand and that's exactly what they can do. I want to catch up with Eric to find out more. Eric, it's great to meet with you at AMB 2022. Now you have a very large portfolio of machine tools and some of the largest machine tools in the world. Can you give us firstly an overview about your business?
Yes, thank you. In fact, we produce big lathes. This one, what we can see here is our smallest range actually, which is big enough even for this booth. Of course, we would be proud to present the lathe, what you presented, 22 meters between centers, but it's a little bit too big to show it on this exhibition.
That is a massive lathe, but the lathes that you supply are not only large, they have lots of modular aspects, and some of these modular aspects and threading modularities I've never seen before. Can you explain some of the certain applications that they really lend themselves for?
Yeah, our beginning were conventional lathes, then step by step we enlarge our portfolio. For the CNC machines, starting from the small product, then longer, bigger, because of a request from the market, from our customers, from our dealers worldwide. So our decision was to use as many components from each machine to another, that we can make many different models and many different options offered to our customers.
And how important is this to be able to offer such a wide variety of solutions?
For us it is very important because we are not serial manufacturer. All our machines we produce to the customer wish. Some of them even we design together. We expect from our customers their ideas and we make it true.
And you're supplying these machine tools around the world. We are here today on behalf of Leader CNC Technologies in England, where you can also acquire these machine tools from.
Yes, we are selling our machines worldwide, but in fact Europe is the most important market, like Germany, France, United Kingdom, and our local market in Poland.
And this particular machine that you are exhibiting at the show, it's the smallest of your range. What are the programming languages and the unique selling points of the products from the standard all the way up to the top?
What is the most important in our production, the whole machines, everything, all lathes we are producing in our workshop in Poland. All machining, I would say 80% of mechanical components we produce by ourselves. So that's why we can quick answer to the wishes of our customers. So the next step of this machine is a one-step bigger model from 800 to 1 meter, then again bigger, and then there is a beginning, we call it special machines, 4 guideways, large, heavy-duty lathes with many different possible options.
Eric, thank you very much for giving me an insight into FAT-Haco and the machine tools that you can offer.